Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Stars and Stuff. I'm Sawyer. Today we're going to be continuing our series, Cool Constellations. In honor of Independence Day here in the US, we're going to be talking about Aquila, the eagle. So buckle up for some Greek mythology, fun facts, and stargazing tips. Let's get started. So first we're going to get into where and when to find this constellation. Aquila is most visible at 10 p.m. in August, but it can be visible anywhere from April 26th at 1 a.m. to November 8th at 10 p.m. Now if you're watching this today, the 4th of July, then you'll be able to see Aquila tonight from 8 p.m. to 6:45 a.m. So the whole night. Now that we know when to look for Aquila, we should probably cover how to find Aquila. First, most people look for the asterism known as the summer triangle. An asterism isn't a constellation, but is actually just a noticeable pattern of stars. So to find the summer triangle, you want to look for three fairly bright stars in the sky: Vega, Deneb, and Altair, that make up a triangular shape. There are three constellations that each contain one of these bright stars that make up the triangle. There's Lyra, which contains Vega. There's Cygnus, which contains Deneb. There's Aquila, which contains Altair. So if you know any of these constellations, it should be a bit easier. Just look for their brightest star and trace a line, two other bright stars, to make the triangle. Now, if you still can't find the asterism, look for it in the Milky Way, which looks like a multicolored line in the night sky. It's not always visible.
Not sure if you've heard of it, but it's kind of in the galaxy over here.
Now, Aquila, our constellation of the day, is located at the bottom triangle if you're viewing from the northern hemisphere, and it's at the top of the triangle if you're viewing from the southern hemisphere. So now that we've located Aquila, let's talk about its origin. According to Greek mythology, Aquila was said to be the carrier of Zeus's lightning bolts. He was also sent to get a Trojan shepherd boy, Ganymede, whom Zeus desired to be a wine pourer for the gods. In another story, Aquila is found guarding the arrow of Eros, represented by the constellation Sagittarius, which hit Zeus and made him love-struck. In yet another, the eagle represents Aphrodite, disguised as an eagle pretending to pursue Zeus, who himself was in the form of a swan. She did this so Zeus's love interest, the goddess Nemesis, would give him shelter. The eagle could also represent one of Hercules' 12 labors. He was sent to kill the eagle, which would eat out Prometheus' heart, or in some cases his liver, every day for the past 30,000 years after he was bound there by Zeus, after he caught Prometheus stealing fire from Mount Olympus to give to mankind. Hercules succeeded in killing the eagle, thus setting Prometheus free from Mount Caucasus at last. So the constellation Aquila is made up of 12 different stars. They're Altair, Alshane, Tarazed, Oked, Eta Aquilae, 15 Aquilae, 57 Aquilae, R Aquilae, FF Aquilae, Rho Aquilae, V Aquilae, and finally, Lambda Aquilae. How many Aquilae are there? Altair is located 17 light years away from Earth. This star rotates rapidly at 177 miles per second, or 286 kilometers per second, which gives Altair its flat poles. According to SEDS, which I'm pretty sure stands for some epic death scenes, obviously, there have been 2 major novae in Aquila. The first one being in 389 AD and was as bright as Venus. The other one being in 1918, which briefly shone brighter than Altair. So that's Aquila. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you all have a wonderful holiday. Please like and subscribe, and leave me a comment if you have any requests for my next constellation video. I will see you all next time. Oh, and why was Aquila the Eagle given so many roles by the ancient Greeks? Because he was so talented. Ha ha ha. Ha.
We're going to pretend to touch what's in front. Marriage. It's a thing that brings